Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Amelia Bedelia Under the Weather. Amelia Bedelia did not feel well. She snuggled down in bed with her stuffed animals. Roar! What a zoo, said Amelia Bedelia's father. Achoo, said Amelia Bedelia. Do not tease her, honey. She does not feel very well, said Amelia Bedelia's mother. Amelia Bedelia coughed. I'm sorry that you are under the weather, said Amelia Bedelia's father. I am not, said Amelia Bedelia. I'm cozy. I am under my covers. Amelia Bedelia felt dizzy. She fell back on her pillow. You are sick, said her mother. I'm calling the school. You're staying home today. Amelia Bedelia was happy. Then she was sad. I will miss my friends, she said. I do not want to rain on your parade, but it's not going around. But something is going around. Not me, said Amelia Bedelia. I'm staying here. Before he left to work, Amelia Bedelia's father carried her downstairs. He tucked her in a special chair. Thanks, Daddy, said Amelia Bedelia. I will check on you later, he said. You may have a fever, said Amelia Bedelia's mother. I will find a thermometer to check your temperature. She turned on the TV. Not the weather, said Amelia Bedelia. The weather is boring. She did not have the energy to change the channel. She sighed. I am under the weather, she said, and now I'm in front of it too. Storm tracks. Thunderstorm, thunderstorm, thunderstorm. Amelia Bedelia did not know why grown-ups worried about the weather. Whether it would rain, whether it would snow, whether it would freeze, or hail, or blow. Amelia Bedelia never worried about it. She had fun in all kinds of weather. Amelia Bedelia's mother put a thermometer under Amelia Bedelia's thumb. I will be right back, her mother said. Amelia Bedelia watched the weather all over the world. Something's going on here. Sunny over here. More sun over there. Australia has over here. There's a hurricane. Over here there's sun. Eat ook, eats one, eats win, hats eat hog, said Amelia Bedelia. Her mother took the thermometer out of Amelia Bedelia's mouth. What did you say? She asked. Hey, look, it's raining cats and dogs, said Amelia Bedelia. Poor sweetie, you have a little fever. The telephone rang. It was Amelia Bedelia's father. Hey, sunshine, he said. How are you? I'm sick, said Amelia Bedelia. Are you feeling green around the gills? Are you feeling green around the gills? His father asked. Just then there was a knock at the door. Yoo-hoo, howdy neighbors, said Mrs. Adams. It's been raining buckets out there, and cats and dogs too, said Amelia Bedelia. I can hear you're not feeling so hot, said Mrs. Adams. I am feeling very hot, said Amelia Bedelia. Amelia Bedelia is running a fever, said her mother. I am way too sick to run, said Amelia Bedelia. Well, I have something good for what is making you sick, said Mrs. Adams. Chicken soup. Thank you, said Amelia Bedelia, but I need something bad for what is making me sick. Do you have a stomach bug? Said Mrs. Adams. Yuck, said Amelia Bedelia. I hope not. You have some kind of bug, sweetie, said Amelia Bedelia's mother. I wish I had wings, said Amelia Bedelia. Then I could fly above the weather instead of being under it. Amelia Bedelia's father came home. The weather was still on TV. You must be at the top of the weather, he said. It'll be partly cloudy tomorrow, said Amelia Bedelia. Not partly sunny? Asked his father. Daddy, that's the same thing, said Amelia Bedelia. You must be feeling better, said Amelia Bedelia's father. Soon you will be as red as rain, said her mother. Come, rain or shine, said Amelia Bedelia. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!